I'm Nishi. I'm 25 years old. I live in a small house in a beautiful city. I'm a student. I go to college by bus. Traveling by bus is good. Sometimes it feels boring. I have a brother and two sisters. They help me to do my studies. My mother is a nurse. My father is a doctor. My father is not always at home. He is busy with his work. My mother does all the household work. I'm helping her to cook. I like cooking too. I make different kinds of meals on weekends. I'm good at music. I like singing more than playing music. I went to music classes since I was in grade 6. I like riding bicycles and visiting beautiful places. I like to learn another language. And I have only two best friends in my class. I don't like to do sports. I like to be with my family members. So it's a pleasure to spend time at home. I like to go to the library and read books during my leisure time. Every time I have a break, I listen to music. I don't like to go out with my friends. I like to watch television with my sisters and brother. I always do my homework on time. I like eating outside. I really like to spend time in natural places. I always care about my family members. Answer the following questions using the paragraph. What does Nishi's father do for a living? Engineer, lawyer, teacher, doctor. What does Nishi's mother do for a living? Doctor, lawyer, nurse, engineer. How many sisters does Nishi have? 1, 2, 3, 4. did Nishi go to college? By train, by bus, by car, by bicycle. Who helps Nishi do her studies? Sister, brother, sisters and brother, mother. In which grade did Nishi start to go to music classes? Grade 8, grade 10, grade 6, grade 5. Does Nishi like to do sports? No? Yes. Does Nishi care about her family members? No? Yes. What does she feel interesting than playing music? Walking, sports, writing, singing. Does Nishi like to eat outside? Yes? No?